Today in Science Minutes, we are going to be talking about human language and animal communication. It is clear that animals have developed means of communication, which include sounds and gestures. But does this mean that animals use language? But first, what is language? What defines human language? And how can we compare human language to animal communication? Hockett's 6 design features of human language is a widely accepted analysis that defines human language. The design features are separated into two categories, the lexicon and grammar. The lexicon consists of semanticity, arbitrariness, and discreteness. Semanticity is that symbols encode meaning, arbitrariness is that symbols are related to meaning by convention, and discreteness is that units belong to categories. Grammar consists of generativity, duality of patterning, and displacement. Generativity is that meanings are systematic and infinite. Duality of patterning is that sounds combine into words and words combine into sentences. And displacement allows for description of place and time. Researchers study different communicative species to examine if animal communication exhibits qualities of Hockett's design features for human language. Species studied included bees and birds.
Bees use the waggle dance to communicate information about nearby food. Researchers identified specifics about waggle dance. Vigor indicates how much, speed indicates how far, angle indicates which direction. Bees' waggle dance has properties of both the lexicon and grammar. They are able to encode meaning, their meanings are systematic and infinite, and they are able to describe other times and places. Birds use various forms of song across bird species. Some appear to be learned, and some are innate. Some species use sequences of sounds. These sequences also appear to have internal structure that is specific to certain contexts. They have units that belong to categories, and their meanings are systematic and infinite.
What does this data mean? It appears that species can possess varying combinations of Hockett's design features, but not all of them. But despite this, the ways that animals interact can still be classified as language. Language is a means of communication among members of a species, and when considering this definition, language can apply to both animals and humans. Language can be more or less intricate depending on the species and its survival needs. But when analyzing language as a means of communication, both humans and animals have the ability to use language.